Hi all, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to cover a token that I've been following for the past weeks. Now, before I get into the token, I want to say that this video is not a financial advice and I am not your financial advisor. So if you want to trade, do whatever you want, but do it carefully and do your own research first. Now, before I share with you the token that I want to talk about today, I want to say something about the Bitcoin dominance. As I said in my previous videos, the Bitcoin dominance is dropping and I am expecting it to drop between the 40 level and the 44%. Now, as we take a look at the previous time that we broke that support level, which was in 2017 and 2018, we see that after a huge drop, it bounces off and made a higher low. Now, what I expect the chart to do in this bull run is that it will also make a bounce before it creates a higher low. So beware of that. Take a look at the charts and really take a look at this dominance level because it is dropping at a fast pace and we all don't know when it will bounce off. But all that I can say is that the RSI is telling us that we are now at a 17 level, and that means that we are now really stretching out downwards, and it will have just a few weeks more before it bounces up and come between the level of 40 and 60. So please keep that in mind and spend your money wisely. Now, the gem that I want to talk about today is VeChain, which is VET. I don't know if you have seen my previous video, but I am not going to look at the BUSD pair anymore, but I am looking at the Bitcoin pair and the Ethereum pair. Now, in this case, in this chart, this is the Bitcoin pair. What I want to share is the following. Today, we just had a breakout of a triangle and a gain of 16.85%. Now, that is a massive gain for today's chart. And considering the fact that VeChain didn't have a bullish crossover yet. So it is going to come. And if you can see here in the MACD, we are just starting to close the gap between the blue line and the orange line. So the bullish crossover is coming shortly. Now, if you take a look at the RSI, which is the rubber band index that I call, it is now at a 65 level and it can reach up to 90. So there is much stretch possible for this chart. Now, if you take a look at the stock RSI, what I see is that both the blue line and the orange line just crossed over the 20 level, which is also a confirmation that there is a bullish momentum for VeChain. Now, what I am going to do, what my strategy is that I will take profit when there is a 30 up until 50% gain from today's price. That is what I'm going to do. What your strategy is, I don't know, but create your own strategy for yourself so that you know when to take the gains and to not lose the gains, the profit that you have made with the charts, with this token or any other token. But what I can say right now is that VET is going to try to break that previous all-time high in Bitcoin pair, and it is going to form many all-time highs in the coming days and weeks. Now, shortly about the Ethereum pair, we also see that it just broke out of the triangle and it had a gain of, let me see, that is a gain of 19% today. And I definitely see that this chart is going to pump to test the previous all-time high, which will be a 71% gain. That will be the case for the coming days. I don't know when, but the chart is looking fine and it confirms me that VeChain is going to pump really hard in the coming days. So that's what I want to share with you in this video. Subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And if you want, you can also comment any other token for me to look at in the next coming videos. Well, thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Ciao.